making parsnip mashed potatoes. Let me explain this kooky setup. First of all, the lid was balancing over this, which is a food mill, okay? It was balancing over that to keep the potatoes and the parsnips hot. We're going to use 4 large russet potatoes peeled and cubed, and 2 parsnips, which I slice thinner because parsnips are tougher and we want everything to cook at the same time. I also threw in 4 cloves of garlic. When the water boils, we salt it liberally. Then we drain them and put them in our mill. And then all we have to do is this. Grind them down and put them back in the same hot pot. If you want to hold potatoes all day on any holiday throughout the year, or when you're cooking for a crowd, when we get to the point in life where we're cooking for crowds again, right? What you need to make is a bain-marie. Over here, I have a larger pot with just a little bit of water in it. And we're gonna bring that up to a low simmer and put the larger pot of mashed potato and parsnip, all of the flavor we're about to add to it. We're gonna put that, ooh, that's hot. So I got this little guy here. We're gonna put that into the water bath and it'll stay perfect for as many hours as you like, as long as you just add a little extra water, obviously whenever it's necessary. So to the potatoes, we're now going to add a little freshly grated nutmeg, a little white pepper or fine ground black, your choice. Additional salt, even though we salted the water, potatoes love salt. And our magic ingredient, brown butter. To make brown butter, we took 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon per potato, medium-low heat, medium-low, and I put some sage leaves, these sage leaves, on top of the butter as it was browning. When the leaves got crisp, I pulled them out simply with a table fork and put them on a little piece of paper towel. Now I'm going to add all of the brown butter to the potatoes. Still with me, guys? Okay? And the brown butter tastes like the sage because the sage was in the butter while it was browning. Once again, we take our little paddle here and scrape out all that nutty, delicious flavor. The nutty flavor comes from the milk solids browning. Then we're going to add a little warm milk, like literally a little. I'd say I have about 1/3 to 1/2 cup. I'm gonna add my little bit of warm milk and stir this all together. Okay, now we put this here and we take our lid, which was keeping these warm and it was in the food mill, put it right back on top. That can stay all day.